Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to explore some of the most charming and picturesque villages in France, from the rugged coast of Brittany to the rolling hills of the Loire Valley. France is home to a diverse range of villages, each with its own unique character and history. First, we're heading to the village of Eguisheim in Alsace. This charming village is known for its winding streets, half-timbered houses, and colorful flower displays. Eguisheim is also home to one of the most beautiful churches in the region, the Saint-Pierre-et-Paul Church, which dates back to the 12th century. The village is also known for its wine production, and you can sample some of the local wines at one of the many wineries in the area. Next, we have the village of Saint-Cirq-Lapopie in the Lot region. Perched high on a cliff, this medieval village offers breathtaking views of the Lot River and the surrounding countryside. The village is known for its well-preserved houses and cobblestone streets, as well as its many art galleries and craft shops. Visitors can also take a leisurely stroll along the river and enjoy the beautiful scenery. For those who love the sea, the village of Saint-Malo in Brittany is a must-see. Known for its fortified city walls, Saint-Malo offers a glimpse into the region's rich history and culture. The village is also home to some of the most beautiful beaches in France, making it a popular destination for sunbathing and swimming. Take a walk along the beach and enjoy the fresh sea air, or take a boat trip to the nearby islands to see the local wildlife. Lastly, we're visiting the village of Roussillon in Provence, known for its vibrant orange-colored buildings and stunning natural landscapes. Roussillon is a true feast for the eyes. The village is surrounded by ochre cliffs and offers some of the most breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside. You can take a hike through the hills and see the beautiful landscape, or visit one of the many artist studios and see the local art. These are just a few of the many charming villages that France has to offer. Each village has its own unique character and history, and there is something for everyone to enjoy. Whether you're a history buff, a wine lover, a beachgoer, or an art enthusiast, there is a village in France that will suit your interests. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour and that it has inspired you to visit these amazing places for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and more travel content, and leave a comment down below with your favorite village in France.